Hello, everybody. Welcome to Eternity in View Academy. My name is Samuel Gideon, and I'll be taking you through some step by step guides on how you can use people's videos, edit the videos, and post them on your Facebook page and monetize the page at the end of the day. Some people want to monetize their Facebook pages, but one of their challenges that uh, people are facing is the issue of reuse content. You might reach the level of monetization, but because you have been using people's videos without editing them well, at the end of the day, even if Facebook monetize your Facebook page, they may demonetize the page at the end of the day. Or when you reach the level of setting up your Facebook page, at the cost of reviewing your page, Facebook might deny you the privilege of monetizing your Facebook page. You will have to go and check the videos that you've used, which are not yours or which were not well edited. You have to go and remove them from your page for you to come and apply at the end of the day. So today, I'll be taking you through some guides that you can be able to use people's videos, edit those videos in a very professional way, and monetize your Facebook page at the end of the day. So please, if you are visiting my page for the first time, please do well to give me a like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification button so that when next I publish a video, you'll be among the first set of people to receive notification. And on this channel, we give tech related guides. We guide people on tech related issues, and we also give people updates on tech related issues and also social media issues. We also offer social media management services. So, in case you need any of our services, you can check the contact on the screen and reach out to us so that we can be of assistance to you. And before I take us to the other side of the screen, I wish to also let us know that we have a community where we do train people. Okay, we train people to be skillful in the area of social media management. So we have a WhatsApp group. In case you want to join the WhatsApp group, contact us through the number that is there. And if you want to also join our Telegram community group, you can also use the contact that is there and reach out to us or search on Telegram Eternity in View Academy. You'll see the group, join the group, and benefit from the updates that we drop on that platform. See you at the other side of the screen. Now, for you to start your editing with CapCut, you need to open your CapCut application. After you open your CapCut application, then the next thing is to import the video you want to edit. You now locate the video. After you locate it, you see we can have three different interfaces. After you import, the video will come to this place. And when you click on it, it will start to
People sit
edit
outside.
on this
Too many
page.
things are possible.
And if you want to edit it, you now bring it to this side, you bring it down. But in order to have ease when it comes to editing, I want to reduce this length of the video so that we find it simple when we want to export. Then you can always add the length or reduce. Okay, you can always add or reduce from here. Okay, so preferably you can add it such that you can be able to see very well whatever thing that you are doing. Okay, so as we are there now, we want to edit this video such that we can make use of it to post on Facebook, and Facebook will now see it as an original video. So now the next thing is if you like, you can enlarge it such that the logo and other information will disappear. After you enlarge it, then you double click and bring it down. So you're now good to go. After doing this, if you want to add text, you click on this text at the top right, then you click on text template so that you can be able to see different types of text that are there. Okay, if you want to add this very one, you can click on it. But one thing with CapCut is that CapCut works better when there is internet, because there are some features that will not display unless you have internet connection. And there are some features that are having pro. Okay, you will have to subscribe to the pro version before you can be able to have access to them. So after clicking on this, we now, if you want to add any text, you can now add a text. Apostle Michael Oroko Samo. Okay, you now click on this scale. By clicking on the scale, you can be able to reduce the size of the text. After you reduce it, you can now drag it to whatsoever location that you want. Okay, let's drag it again. You take it to whatsoever location that you want to take it to. And after you're done with that, the next thing is to add a sticker. You need to add a sticker, add effect, and add filters. You need to add these three things in order to temper with the visual aspect of the video. So you just click on this sticker, then you can look for any speaker of your choice and apply it. Okay, this one, until you are connected to the internet, I just want to look for a very simple sticker that we can be able to use. Okay, like for example, this
people
sticker,
sit outside. Too many things.
we can use this sticker. You now click on plus. After you click on plus, then the sticker will come where you can be able to drag it. You drag it now to the end. Make sure that it is the same length with the video.
People sit outside.
Okay, now if you like, you can now reduce the sticker, bring it by this side, and you can Control C, that's copy and paste, and also bring it by this side. Then here you can now drag it. What I'm doing now is not necessary. I'm just telling you in case you want
Too
to
many
do that.
things are possible.
In case you want to do it, you can do it, but it's not too necessary. Okay.
But as it stands, we just started publicity this month again.
So there are many types of stickers. There are many other stickers. Okay, let me just try and see under vibes. There are some stickers that I love under vibes. Under vibe. Yes. These are stickers that you can equally make use of. There are many stickers. You can just search as many as you can to see which you are comfortable with, and you can apply it. Like this very one, I normally make use of this
And
one
the
because
place
I
is
like it. But it will not be good for you to add so many stickers so that the work will not look shroudy. Okay.
people sit outside. Too many
And I think this one sticker can even serve this one sticker instead of the first two that we've
things
added.
are possible. But as it stands, we just started publicity.
So that is that. And what else do we need to do? You need to click on effect so that the visual aspect of the video will be tempered with a bit. Let me see. Okay, like this effect. Let me try and add this effect if it will do good. Now you now see that the video visual has changed, but I'm not too okay with this because it's affecting the whole video. Let me try this. Okay, this one needs network, and I just want to try one that does not need network. Okay,
Publicity this month again.
this one. Okay, I'm not too okay with it. In that case, I will just leave. I'll just forget about Control Z. Yes, I'll just
In
forget
Mark 3
about the effect. Let me just add filter. Yes, this filter is good.
14, he said he called.
You see, it has affected the visual aspect of the video. You can also make use of
14,
this.
he said he called them to be with him. 14, he said he called.
But this one is darkening the video. Let's try this.
14, he said he called them to be with.
Okay, so it is now left on you to choose
14, he
whatever
said
one
he
that you want.
called them to be with him.
Let me go with this one. Then you can now drag it. It should fit the length of the video.
14, he said he called them to be with him. so that he can send them.
Good. Then now you are now good to go. What else is left? We've added this, we've added this, we've added this, but we can't see our text. Let me add that text again. I don't know why it's not showing. Apostle Michael Morocco Salmon. So once you are here, you now reduce the scale, that's the size of the text, drag it somewhere like this, drag it, and now bring it here.
Intimacy is more important than service.
So I think with this, we are now good to go. We can now make use of our video. Okay, I forgot to drag the text. That's why it was not showing. Like now it's showing. Like
And
now
so
it's on.
any Christianity that
So now you have tempered with how the video is looking, and you can now make use of this video to upload on Facebook, and you can monetize your Facebook page with videos edited in this format.
does not provoke desire for intimacy is a Christianity that
Now, one other thing that you can do is to add caption. If you want to add caption, you click on text, you click on audio, auto caption, and you click on generate caption. But this requires internet. Once you click on it, it will finish generating the caption, and you can now make use of it and export. Now, if you want to export, you click on the export at the top right, click on export, then under export to, you now choose the part you want to export to. Okay, for example, I want to export to a desktop. I'll just click on here, then export to desktop. You can now see the length of the video, just 17 minutes 21 seconds, and the size of the video is 190 megabyte. If you want to lower the megabyte, you now click on resolution. When you click on resolution and you click on, let's say, 720 or 1080, it has increased the resolution. It has increased the MB. Okay, 4K, it has increased the MB. So the least size you can now adopt is 480p, and you have 190 megabyte. You now click on export. After you click on export, that is the end of the whole story. After you are done with that, you now locate where the video has been exported to. After you finish the whole processes, you will see where you can just click on open, and you now open the location of the video, and you are good to go. So guys, if you have been blessed with this content, please do well to like this video and tell us what you've learned in the comment section, and do well to give us a subscription. Please subscribe to this channel and turn the notification button for you to be among the first set of people that will be notified once we publish a new video. Thank you, and bye bye.